African countries that changed their currency. Pay attention, you will learn something. Number 1 is Ghana. After gaining independence from British in 1957, Ghana changed their currency from British West African pound to Ghana pound. They changed from British West African pound, British West African pound, to Ghanaian pound. That was after independence in 1957. By 1965, the country switched again from Ghana pound to Ghana cedis. And that is what they are using now. Are you following? All right. Number 2 is Nigeria. After independence in 1960, then Nigeria was using Nigerian pound. Then Nigeria continued to use Nigerian pound until in 1973 when Naira was introduced. So Nigeria changed from Nigerian pound, which was equivalent to British pound. They changed it to Naira in 1973. Are you following? Number 3 is Guinea. After their independence in 1958, Guinea replaced the French West African franc, French West African franc to Guinean franc. Guinea got their independence in 1958. Then they were using French West African franc. They switched to Guinean franc to have their own currency. All right. Number 4 is Tanzania. After independence in 1961, Tanzania was using what was called East African shilling. This East African shilling is shared between Uganda and Kenya. In 1966, Tanzania introduced their own currency called Tanzanian shilling. So initially they were using East African shilling. In 1966, they changed to Tanzanian shilling. Number 5, Somalia. Somalia got her independence in 1960. They replaced the East African shilling to Somali shilling. This East African shilling was used during their British and Italian colonial rule. All right. So when they got their independence, they changed from East African shilling to Somali shilling. These are 5 African countries that changed their currency, mostly from the colonial currency to the currency they have chosen for themselves, from Ghana to Nigeria to Guinea to Tanzania and to Somalia. If you have learned anything from this video, share it and follow for more.